Hey everybody, it's Laura. I am back with a new planner. Yes, a new planner. I know. I actually have another planner also. If that video is up already, I'll link it or yeah. So I have a new planner. This is called the Homekeeping Planner by Clean Mama. I will leave a link down below, and I believe I have a coupon code for you, or like a coupon link. I think like a 20% off link, something. There's something. I'll leave it written on the screen, and then I'll leave the code or the link or code or whatever it is down below. If you don't want to use my link, that's totally fine. You can just look it up on your own. I don't know where I found her. I think maybe Instagram. I really don't know. Might have been like an email feed that had her linked or something. I don't know. But she has like a website and products, and then she also has like a email list that she sends out or whatever. I don't know if it'd be called a blog. I don't know. But I found her, and she sent us a code. She sent us a code for this planner, which is undated, and it was like 50% off or something. And I was like, okay, this whole like trying to come up with a cleaning plan, I'll link my Power Sheets video up here because that's been a goal of mine, has not been working. So I feel like this planner is a little unnecessary, but at the same time, I think it's going to help me to at least like get a solid routine going, because that's what I'm struggling with. So, yeah, that's what happened. So this is it's a small planner, like it's really thin. I don't actually know the measurements. So I think it's a 7x9. Yeah, it looks identical to the size of my Erin Condren, but it's much, much thinner. It has one of these like, O-ring coils, is that what they're called? I don't know. The thing that has, like, it's not a spiral. But it's a very well-made planner. I like it a lot, and it's very simplistic and beautiful. So let's just dive in and talk about this planner. So again, the Homekeeping Planner by Clean Mama. It comes with this beautiful white with the little symbol on here. And then it's just like lovely. Like it's just a really nice planner. So there's like a little introduction. It is a 2021, like it says 2021, but it's undated. So you could easily skip that and then use this for next year or whatever. Cleanmama.com. That's the website. So there's a little note. Again, this is 2021, but if you don't really need this, like, I think you'll be fine. So there is like the overview calendar at a glance kind of thing. And it's April while I'm filming this. So, you know, I think that's why it was on sale, but I'm cool with it. So then you have like the back page again. And now we're at our first tab, and it is blank here. But there are stickers in the back, so you can label them for whatever you want. White on the back here, and then basically all of the months are the same. It says this month, important dates to remember and goals for the month, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little spots there, so you can put little check-offs or whatever you want to do here. I don't know that I'm really going to use this page, to be perfectly honest with you, but it's there. And then there is also a monthly calendar, which again, it's undated, so you can fill in the date, and then you can fill in all the days of the week, and it does go down 5 rows, so you shouldn't have to like split boxes, which is really nice. And it is very like pale, like the lines are very light, so if you don't like a lot of color, like it is a lot of this teal color, but if you don't like it, like it's very, very light. And then it says every day a little something, you got this, with this little like sparkle thing. And then there are like the websites down here, but again, it's very, very faint. So if you wanted to put washi, like I don't even know that you would have to white that out. There is a to-do list on the side. You could obviously make it like journaling or whatever you want to do. I don't know. And then the rest of like what's between the tabs is all pages like this. So it says week of blank, and then it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekly tasks, and that little bit of thing at the bottom. So I'm going to go over this in depth one time, because you're not going to need it again. So Monday says make beds, check floors, wipe counters, pick up clutter, laundry. There's a spot for meals, and then there are 5 more blank spots to fill in. I should say Monday through Sunday, say that. So you can put that in there. And obviously, like, you don't necessarily have laundry to do every day. I'm one person. I live by myself. I do not do laundry every day, but I could put laundry, like, sheets here, and I could put laundry, like, my weekly clothes over here, whatever the case might be. And then they give you an idea of weekly tasks. So there are bathrooms, dust, vacuum, wash floors, catch-all, sheets and towels, and then there are 4 more blank ones. So you could split these up and put them on different days if you wanted to, which would be great. Or you can use this as the weekly tracker and you just check them off here. I don't know, whatever floats your boat. But I thought this was very simple, like very just, are you doing the basics? And then you have room to add in whatever other small projects you want to do, as well as like meal prep kind of things. So it's a good little, like, maybe if you were doing something in the slow cooker and you needed to put it in it too, like you could write yourself a note so that when you're checking back in, you remember to do that sort of thing. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 weeks worth. So I don't know why there's so many. I feel like 5 would have been plenty, but maybe there's a time when you would need 6 of these for a month. I don't know, but you get 6. So it's generous. It's nice. And then there is a space for notes. And it again has this like lightly dotted paper, just somewhere to write. So again, you could put like projects, you could have maybe bigger things you need to do, maybe your shopping list, maybe your meal plan or meal ideas, or maybe you have a birthday party that you're throwing and you need to do all of these things, or you have guests over and you have extra cleaning or extra prep or something that you need to do with like extra beds, or, you know, whatever the case might be. You have room to kind of jot that stuff down, which is nice. Beautiful page again. I think it's just very clean looking. This month, the monthly page, and then again, 6 of these, and then the notes page. So that is literally every single month. Nothing is different about any of these. So let me get to the back. And you could even do this, like, you might not even care about the months. Like, you could just have it like week to week to week, and not care about where they are. So there's that. Okay, so this is the last set here. And then you have the like little, how do you use it? So we have the cleaning routine calendar. So there are daily tasks, weekly tasks, and then rotating tasks. So a monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly basis, to help you kind of get your whole home done. So daily tasks, again, checking the floors, sweeping or vacuum or broom, whatever as needed, wiping the counters, picking up clutter, some sort of laundry, and then making your beds. I am not a bed maker, but you know, it looks nice. Weekly tasks are bathrooms, dusting, vacuuming hard surfaces, floors, and carpet, washing the floors, a catch-all day or a day to catch up, sheets and towels. And then rotating tasks are vacuuming and washing the baseboards, cleaning your light fixtures, washing rugs and your bedding, cleaning your oven and other appliances, cleaning your fridge and freezer, polishing wood furniture, spot cleaning walls and furniture, rotate or vacuum your mattress, both, washing windows inside and out, replacing any sort of filters, and then wiping switches, phones, and remotes, because again, those are highly touched areas of your house. And then you have another page for notes, and then you have your monthly focus checklists, and these are already broken down for you. You could obviously do these at any time, but it's nice to have somebody that has thought about these things and you just follow along. You know what I mean? So January is a whole house declutter, decluttering, cleaning, sorting, mail, kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, living area, other areas. February is the kitchen, so decluttering, cleaning surfaces, deep cleaning, food storage, toss and donate, organize, contain, label, scrub, and then the most touched areas, which obviously you probably do daily or weekly, but you know, there's that. And then March is your spring cleaning. April are the bathrooms, and I'll just sort of leave this here, so if you want to hit pause and then like read them in more depth, you can. And then we can continue. So we have May through August. We have garage and basement, which that doesn't apply to me. I have no garage or no basement, so it doesn't matter. Your bedrooms, actually, that's a good idea. So this month that I don't have a garage or basement, I can, because it's April right now, I could go back and do some of these other things. That's probably smart. June is the bedrooms, July is your organizing systems, and August is the closets. I like the July organizing systems here because people, either students or people that have kids that are students, go back to school like August and September. And that way, hopefully you're super organized before the school year starts, because that's helpful for being consistent and keeping kids on track. Speaking as a teacher, the organization inside the home is definitely helpful. And again, August is the closets, and then September is your entryway or mudroom, October your laundry room or area, November is your living areas, and then December is your office and your paperwork. So I love, like, obviously you could do these anytime, or maybe you do like the first one, like all of these top ones are decluttering. Maybe you just declutter every area in May, and then you go back and you do deep cleaning of all the areas. Like, I don't know. But you could certainly like change up the order of the way you're doing things. But again, it's nice to have a list to reference, just to say, have I done that? How long has it been since I've done that? So that is the whole planner. And then you get this really cute sheet of stickers. So it says every day a little something. You have the little girl, these little like twinkle dots, flags. You have all the months that you could stick on the tabs, which the tabs are white on the back and that teal color on the front. And then you have the months, I think for the like calendar pages, like these ones, I think you could stick the month up there, or maybe this page, I guess you could stick it in there, whatever you want to do. And then there's a bunch of little, like, they say done. And that's that part of the planner. I think there's a little pocket back here. So you could put things related to whatever you're doing with your house in there. And that's the whole thing. But see, I don't like those kind of coils. You kind of have to jiggle them around. But like I said, I just wanted something simple that was going to just be a check off list for me, so I didn't have to keep doing that. Do you know what I mean? It's very cheesy. If it hadn't been 50% off, I would not have purchased this planner. But I'm going to try it out and just see where I get with it. Again, it's undated, so I can just literally leave the months and everything off. I already have planners that have that. And probably just go week by week with these pages, and I don't know, just have something to check off. I like it. You let me know. How do you feel about this? Do you think it's silly? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you want one? If you want one, there's a link. She also just has really beautiful like home products, how to make your own cleaners and things like that. So like glass bottles and cleaning spray bottles and I don't know, all sorts of cool stuff. So she has printables and I don't know, there's quite a few things. So definitely check out her shop if you're maybe interested, but maybe not interested in this product, or even if you are interested in this product, just go check her out if you're interested in the whole like homekeeping plannery type stuff, or like you like the white and blue, because everything she has is like this white and aqua minty blue color. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this down below. I am very curious. Would you think this is helpful, or do you think this is a waste? I'm hoping it's helpful, but I didn't pay that much for it. So I'm excited just to have like another little spot where I can just check off instead of having to create it all myself. Okay, I have been talking long enough about this very simplistic planner. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will talk to you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button on your way out. Take care. Bye.